Hello, it's Betabrick, and today, in my Microscale LEGO City, we're taking a look at my construction site. The construction site has the metal frame of what's going to be a tall building. On top, there's a small glow-in-the-dark stud for safety. There is a large crane made with yellow and light gray with a beam attached to the end. It just is connected in place in the corner. Down here there's a porta potty, of course, and around the construction site there are large fences. Subscribe so you don't miss other parts of my Microscale LEGO.